What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter on a 2001 BMW 325xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description, head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, there's some clips right here. Remove that clip there, there's one right here. The clip over here, remove that. The clip on the back side, I pull the dipstick out to get to this one. Kind of gonna reach down in there. And then there's one over on this side. It's a little bit tricky to get to. Pull that clip off right there. You can grab this, top of the airbox. You can slide it out over here with it lifted up. And you can grab the air filter, slide it right out. Just take the new air filter, slide it in position, make sure it's all the way down. You can take the top part of the box, slide it over this air intake, just like that. All right, make sure that's in position and start clipping it down. Get all of those, and then the back ones as well. This one's really hard to get to. And then this one. Put the dipstick tube back in the hole.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.